Welcome to my channel, Mindful Mastery Introduction. Have you ever considered how growing older impacts your intimate life? As we age, our bodies go through many changes, sometimes neglecting our sexual health. Today, we're going to discuss penis massages and empowering practices that can significantly improve your sexual performance and general well-being. Men's sexual function frequently changes as they reach puberty, which can leave them feeling uncertain and nervous. In this video, we'll discuss how these massages can help improve blood flow, relax your pelvic muscles, and even reduce stress related to performance issues. These psychological advantages of reconnecting with your body and cultivating a good outlook on intimacy will also be covered. This isn't just about having fun. It's also about regaining your confidence and having a fulfilling intimate experience as you get older. Stay tuned for tips you can implement immediately to improve your sexual health and connection. Don't miss the insights we'll share today. By the end, you'll have a better idea of the techniques involved and how they can have a big effect on your intimate life. Please watch our male wellness massages, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to prevent missing any movies. Please like and share this video if you enjoy it so that I can continue to impart helpful knowledge. If you like the Why Male Wellness Matters topic of this video, please leave a on-star comment. If you didn't, please leave a Zawar comment to tell me how I can make better videos for you. Now let's start the day. We're getting together to have a crucial conversation about a subject that might seem touchy at first, but if you treat it with the respect and wisdom it deserves, it can give you a lot of power and insight as you navigate the complicated issues of sexual health. As you get older, this talk is specifically designed for individuals who have experienced the beauty of life for over 50 years. It's an honest look at penis massages for people who want to learn more about their bodies and keep a healthy, happy, and fulfilling intimate life as their years go by. Today, we'll talk about the fascinating and often misunderstood subject of penis massages, including what they are, their man uses, and how they can greatly improve the sexual performance of mature men. To begin, I want to discuss the various changes that aging brings about in our physical lives and bodies. Many people believe that aging is a process of losing physical abilities, but in reality, it's a journey full of opportunities to grow and rediscover how are. These important benefits explain why changes shouldn't be viewed acid line, but rather as a chance to connect with ourselves, explore new and timely avenues, and most importantly, take conscious care of our sexual health. Life can be incredibly empowering, and it's a time to celebrate our experiences, knowledge, and massage types, the distinct viewpoint that comes with growing older. But first, what are pen massages? At their most basic level, they are a method that applies controlled pressure to various male organ regions, together with physical stimulation. Just like any therapeutic massage, the goal is health and well-being, not pleasure. These massages can significantly increase blood flow, reduce pelvic muscle tension, and stimulate the genital area, all of which contribute to improved sexual health. It's crucial to remember that pain massages are not the same aromatic stimulation. Rather, they are similar to therapeutic approaches used in many medical and serological fields. These techniques assist men who are struggling with issues like erectile dysfunction, low or premature ejaculation, which tends to worsen with itch. For instance, traditional Chinese medicine holds that massages in this area can balance the body's energy, promoting not only better sexual function, but also a greater sense of vitality and overall health. From a medical standpoint, the goal of PENS massages is to enhance blood flow. As arterial stiffness can limit blood flow to the pen as people age, making erections less effective. By applying pressure to this region, we can promote smooth muscle relaxation and dilatation, which facilitates the acquisition of firm, long-lasting instructions. Enhancing our bodies not only makes us appear better, but it also frequently provides us more self-assurance and vitality that can benefit many aspects of our lives. On a psychological level, pain massages may help reduce the stress and anxiety that come with having sex. Men frequently have insecurity regarding their intimate skills, particularly those over 50, which can result in a vicious cycle of anxiety and dysfunction. The demands of society on men's wellness massages. We may experience high expectations that make us feel inadequate. By concentrating on rest and wellness with massages, we can end this pattern. These methods enable men to re-establish a positive, affirming connection with their bodies. Regular massage therapy's advantages. What types of panel massages are ideal for enhancing sex performance without the demands of performance expectations? It allows us to treat our body with compassion and understanding, which raises our self-esteem and helps us feel at peace with ourselves. Urological physiotherapy and specialist serological therapies use a number of helpful techniques, but it's crucial to house them with caution and respect for your health. One such way is rhythmic massage, which entails using a soothing, repeating motion to rub the pen's shaft for optimal effect. This technique enhances erection muscles and blood flow. This massage should ideally be given in a calm setting that encourages total relaxation. The experience can be greatly impacted by the mood. A comfortable environment for introspection and recovery can be created with calming music, soft lighting, and lots of open space. The manual ring technique is an additional efficient method that involves creating a soft ring with your thumb and index finger, then sliding it from the pen's base to its tip with light pressure. This action activates nerve terminals, increasing their sensitivity in addition to improving circulation instead of targeting the area between the genitalia and the anus, which can have a significant impact on sexual performance. This technique is highly recommended for people who may have noticed a loss of sensitivity during intimacy. It can make the intimate experience more fulfilling and satisfying because there are many blood vessels and nerve endings in this location. Massage can enhance erection function. Adding perineal massage to our routines not only improves erection function, but also relaxes and lowers stress, which makes us feel more at ease and comfortable around intimacy. This technique also helps relax the pelvic floor muscles, which is beneficial for general sexual health, including essential oils that are vasodilating and stimulating, such as how to get ready for a wellness massage. Ginger or rosemary can help increase the effectiveness of the massage. These oils increase circulation and warm the body, which might result in firmer advice. For massage, experience erections, but prevent allergic reactions. It's crucial to perform a patch test on asthma portion of skin before using them. Beyond the apparent health benefits, the aroma and texture of oils give the practice a sense of luxury and indulgence, transforming it into a time for self-care that honors our bodies and well-being. It's crucial to understand that these massages can be an effective means of re-establishing emotional contact. When given to a spouse, they can promote a deeper degree of emotional bonding. Intimacy is more than just touching. It's also about knowing and connecting emotionally. As we age, our intimate relationships may become less intense, but that doesn't mean they have to be any less fulfilling. By focusing in your body's sensations and feelings, a pen massage can help you become more sexually aware. This enhanced awareness can result in more meaningful experiences and strengthen your emotional connection with your partner and yourself. Additionally, studies suggest that these practices may help reduce the likelihood of sexual issues associated with aging. such as erectile dysfunction. Studies in sexology and urology have shown that 3 to 5% of men over 50 struggle in this area. Massage and other non-invasive holistic techniques can help them feel better. This is an important concept because it emphasizes the value of taking proactive steps to maintain our sexual health, as we rather than accepting a story of decline, we can actively seek out practices that support a fulfilling intimate life and take charge of our sexual health. If you are still watching this video and finding these lessons helpful, please leave a comment below to let me know that you are still with me. In the end, sexuality and maturity are important parts of our general health. Despite the constant changes in our bodies, we should not view these changes as intractable issues, but rather as opportunities to discover new ways to enjoy life and connect with others. Massages are a great way to keep your sexual health in good shape and promote how to choose the right therapist. Intimate health. You should value theme as a form of physical and emotional self-care. In a world that doesn't always take into account the sexual needs and wants of older adults, we need to take back our stories and celebrate our right to pleasure and intimacy. A teeny age. Let's start this journey with open hearts and minds, ready to explore the rich landscape of intimacy that lies ahead of us. In addition to preserving what we have, accepting our sexuality and growing up means enjoying the unique and complex experiences that come with it. Let's go through this exciting time with joy, curiosity, and a strong dedication to our sexual health well-being. We've learned a lot about PEN's messages and how they can help your sexual health as you get older. We've looked at different techniques, talked about their physical and emotional benefits, and shown how they can make your intimate life much better. As you get older now that we've covered so much useful material, we want to hear from you. What have you learned so far that resonates with you? Is there a specific technique, new conclusion, and final tips can't wait to try? Could it be an insight that has transformed your perspective on intimacy and maturity? Please share your main takeaway in the comments below, as your experiences and reflections can help build a community of people who have final thoughts going through similar journeys. We value your participation in our community, and your opinions not only improve our conversations, but also give others a sense of connection and control over their own lives. Thank you. If you like this video, please share the video and subscribe to our channel.